The World Economic Forum estimates that AI will replace 85 million jobs by 2025. You do not want to lose your job? Can you provide unique and not exchangeable value to the market? When Elon Musk was asked about AI technologies, he stated boldly, if you cannot beat them, join them. As an industrial engineer, I analyze markets and give you some thoughts how to tackle these challenges. Today, we are looking on the current AI development and how you can still stay irreplaceable. Let's start with some market facts. OpenAI, the founding organization of ChatGPT, states that AI technologies are rising with a factor 10 each year. The top 4 takeaways of a recent published AI index report by the University of Stanford are: industry races in front of academia. The demand for AI-related professional skill is rising. The number of cases misusing AI is increasing. And lastly, AI has awakened the interest of policymakers highly. Due to an article in The Guardian, it is stated that AI technologies are developing too fast for policymakers to adapt. So then it is really hard to define up-to-date laws and standards. PwC estimates that by the midst of 2030, nearly 30% of current jobs could be autonomous. From this trend, jobs for men will be more affected than jobs for women. The highest potentials for job loss can be expected in the following 5 fields: office and administrative support, material moving and transportation, food preparation and service, sales agents, and production. An interesting side note to that list is computer science. With AI solutions like Devin, developed by Cognition Lab, it is stated that this is the first AI software engineer solving nearly 50% of all proposed challenges. Whilst 50% is quite low nowadays, you must be aware of that we are still in the beginning of this technology. So from our point of view, it would be not a wise idea to insist on the way how you approach things nowadays, because this will most likely change. To secure your relevancy in the market of the future, you need to be adaptive for AI technologies. This means join forces. Try not to compete with AI. Try to use that as a complementary tool. Let's now look on skills which AI is unlike to replace. We will cover in this video soft skills. Soft skills are the overall topic you must master. The market was valued at $26.5 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow to $68 billion by 2032, standing at a compound annual growth rate of 12.5%. Let us look now on 3 soft skills which can benefit you highly. First, we have leadership qualities. People follow people. A good example for that in person is Elon Musk, who electrifies the masses with his ideas and thoughts. That said, everything what this guy touches can turn into gold, because he has leadership skills. The reason why people are following him is that he possesses characteristics which people either admire or want to learn from. Only expertise in stressful situations and how you deal with it will level up your leadership qualities. Start a new task or a new project which is challenging for you to get you out of your comfort zone. Make sure that you have no prior experience in that project or the task you want to start with. Coming to the second soft skill. Empathy. Empathy comes hand in hand with leadership qualities. Be understanding of people who are around you. Motivate them sincerely and give attention. Empathy can also be hardly replaced by AI, because humans seek for humans in support. You want to have a person on your side if you struggle. You do not want to have a text prompt which is covering you with some useful information, right? An empathetic leader has genuine interest in the well-being of his employees. The shift in the market that users are nowadays more likely to follow relatable people than celebrities shows exactly that. You want to have real people around you. So make sure that you possess empathy as a skill so that your co-workers are sticking around long-term with you. Third, we have problem solving. Whilst AI can assist in solving problems, it cannot identify root causes as humans can do. You can make usage of methodologies like 5Y or Ishikawa when it comes to problem solving. Problem solving is highly demanded, especially in industry applications. Surely we cannot cover every soft skill which will be not replaced by AI. with these 3 examples, I just wanted to give you some thoughts on which areas you could focus to not be replaced anytime soon. So, do not resist against AI, but also do not be solely dependent on AI technologies. Be exactly in the middle, trying to solve problems and providing value to the market whilst using AI technologies. But give a human touch to your solutions always, as your customers are most likely all human, right? Reflect on your current status. Try to think, which soft skills do I possess and can I use to my advantage? And lastly, take action. To conclude, AI will lead to a lot of job losses, but new opportunities will rise as well. And then you need to make sure that you are there possessing the right skills and not being irreplaceable. From our point of view, you should first start working on your soft skills. Do you use AI solutions? And how do you use it? Write us in the comments down below. If you liked our content, make sure to like, subscribe and follow us on every social media channel which is linked in the description box down below. See you in the next one. Bye.